Once upon a time, in the magical land of Equestria, there were two regal sisters who ruled together and created harmony for all the land. To do this, the eldest used her unicorn powers to raise the sun at dawn. The younger brought out the moon to begin the night. Thus, the two sisters maintained balance for their kingdom and their subjects, all the different types of ponies. But as time went on, the younger sister became resentful. The ponies relished and played in the day her elder sister brought forth, but shunned and slept through her beautiful night. One fateful day, the younger unicorn refused to lower the moon to make way for the dawn.
My little pussy! Spike! What's that for?
Well, it was a gift for Moondancer, but...
Oh, Spike, you know we don't have time for that sort of thing.
But we're on a break!
No. Ugh. Spike!
It's over here!
The moon. Legend has it that on the longest... My dearest teacher, my continuing studies of pony magic have led me to discover that we are on the precipice of disaster. Hold on.
Press it.
Threshold. Brink? That something really bad is about to happen. For you see, the mythical mare in the moon is in fact Nightmare Moon, and she's about to return to Equestria and bring with her eternal night. Something must be done to make sure this terrible prophecy does not come true. I await your quick response. Your faithful student, Twilight Sparkle. Important!
But you simply must stop reading those dusty old books! Maybe the ponies in Ponyville have interesting things to talk about. Come on, Twilight, just try!
Hello?
Official Overseer's Checklist. Number 1, banquet preparations. Sweet Apple Acres.
Let's get this over with. Sparkle.
Well, how'd it do, Miss Twilight? A pleasure making your acquaintance. I'm Applejack. We here at Sweet Apple Acres are looking for... Now, why don't I introduce y'all to the Apple family?
Thanks, but I really need to hurry.
This here's Apple Fritter, Apple Bumpkin, Red Gallon, Red Delicious, Golden Apple, 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 Crisp, Big Macintosh, Apple Bloom, and... Granny Smith. Up and at 'em, Granny Smith. We got guests. I'd say they're already part of the family.
Aren't you gonna stay for brunch? Sorry, but we have an awful lot to do. Aww. Fine. Well, she's not doing a very good job, is she?
Let me help you. No, don't thank me. You're quite welcome.
I heard you're supposed to be keeping the sky clear.
And I'm gonna show him my...
Please, they'd never accept a Pegasus who can't even keep the sky clear for one measly day. Prove it.
Not the decor.
No.
Just one, please. I'm in the zone, Explorer. Oh, yes. Sparkle always does a trick. Why, Garrett, you are a talent. Now, how can I help you? Whatever happened to your coiffure?
Oh my. Stop please, everyone. Excuse me, sir?
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty.
1, 2, 3.
Hello! What do you want to know?
Absolutely everything.
And that's the story of my whole entire... No, I don't.
Rude much. Sorry, Spike, but I have to convince the princess that Nightmare Moon is coming and we're running out of time. I just need to be alone so I can study without a bunch of crazy ponies